700D at C650D 24 inches dual XP600 printer has DTF printer. Industrial high-precision printing platform to ensure the printing precision. Double rear lifting carriage anti-collision, dual protection printhead. Automatic cleaning nozzle provides the longer lifetime of the printhead. Multifunctional button panel freely adjust the printer printing status. Infrared tube heating device. Rolling brush. The shaking control panel can be customized to your needs in different languages. Double layer powder collection device. Cooling system. Rewinder system. Paper feeder system. Large capacity weight ink cartridges care. Avoid infrequent changes. Honson softboard makes the machine work more stable. Complementary equipment.